Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we're on the Enchanted Princess today in balcony cabin D403. So dolphin deck, deck 9, cabin 403, and 403 is a deluxe balcony, and it's not deluxe because it's got one of these, although it does. It's deluxe because it has a little couch there. See that? We'll come back to that. And a lot of coat hangers, because the closet has a lot of coat hangers already. Up here you find your life preservers and stuff people left behind. In here, got the safe and several shelves. Just like every other princess ship, right? Bathroom, watch your step. So it's got the normal sized bathroom, toilet, shower stall. It's got your shower gel and your shampoo and conditioner mixed together. It's got a clothesline, a shower head that comes off. It has, this is water, so if I turn the top knob, see the top knob there? That's water on, and that's temperature. So be careful with it. And these numbers are hard to read, but there's 38 Celsius. So that's close to 100 degrees. There's 45 and there's 50. 50 is probably too hot. I mean, it's too hot for me. Although I did notice in another cabin on this ship that no matter how hot I made it, it was only very warm. So this is a little vent that sucks air or blows air all day long, all night long. So if you got clothes you want to dry, hang them here and they'll dry quicker because there's air movement here. Got your towels, got 2 glasses, outlet from a shaver, hand soap. I think in the mini suites you get a bottle of lotion here too. Toilet paper is there. Whoops. Trash can there. Extra toilet paper. On the faucet there's a little blue mark there and a little red mark there. So red is hot. And what that means is turn this all the way so the red is all the way to the left there. And turn that on. In a little bit it'll be warm or hot even. And a sink. Closet seems big enough. Has lots of coat hangers, and if it doesn't, they gave me a lot more. That's my suitcase. Now we'll walk into the room. So you've got a thermostat here, and they've got it turned almost all the way to cold. No numbers. So you just, is it cold, is it hot? You just dial it. It's got a big TV. Over here on the nightstand, USB port. Drawers. That one didn't open. Oh, it's hitting it. There. Queen size bed. All these hangers. Another nightstand with another USB port. See that? This picture, which was from the photo contest. I wonder if any of mine are in any rooms. Little table, little couch. I sat on the couch. It's comfy. It folds out into a bed. I don't think I'm going to sleep on it. Over here, we have a cabinet with a refrigerator in it. And the refrigerator is nice and cold. So I'm going to put some drinks in there. A drawer which has a blow dryer in it. I'm probably not going to use that. Remote control for the TV. They've equipped my room with paper cups, except in the bathroom. some cleaning solution with a cloth, and 6 big bottles of water. We may talk about that later. While we're here, there's an American outlet, a US outlet, of course a phone, another US outlet, a couple of these kind, and one of these, sorry. So, if you want to know, it's got 2 of those round ones and 2 of these American style. That's the only outlets, except for that tall one. That's the only outlets in the room. So, notice the gloves, thermometer. Yes, I'm in a COVID room. I've been on this cruise for 2 weeks now, and today I tested positive for COVID. So I don't know what I'm going to do with laundry detergent because I'm not allowed to leave the room. But let's go outside. We are somewhere off the coast of either Denmark or Germany. We're supposed to be in Hamburg tomorrow. I don't get off. But you got 2 chairs. Both of them are reclining chairs. If, you know, you can make the room. There's the other one. We're right above Gigi's Pizza. That's the outside part of Gigi's Pizza. Looks like there's mini suites that way and more mini suites that way. I don't know. Of course, these are the lifeboats. I don't know if there's people in the rooms next to me. I just got moved into here. I do know that the sea walk is right up there, so people can look down and see me. I always said I would never get a room like this, and well, I got taught a lesson, didn't I? So that is a balcony deluxe on the Enchanted Princess. And I'm not complaining, it's a pretty nice room. I would be happy sailing in this room. I was in a mini suite though, so this is kind of smaller, but it's just me now. Anyway, Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out, see you in the next port, bye.